Kentucky drivers pay some of the highest auto insurance premiums in the country, but there are ways to score lower rates. In this video, we'll crack the code on finding the cheapest Kentucky car insurance. We'll show you how to compare quotes, slash your rates, and get the coverage you need without blowing your budget. But if you want to skip the hassle and see how much you can save right now, then head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code in our free quote tool and compare personalized quotes from top providers in your area. It's the easiest way to find affordable coverage that fits your driving needs and budget. Let's get started. Before we get into the insurance game, let's discuss the Kentucky statistics. Kentucky has over 79,000 miles of roadways, with vehicle miles traveled reaching nearly 49 billion. There are over 4 million vehicles registered in the state, and the most popular vehicle is the Ford F-150. It's no surprise then that Kentucky also sees its fair share of accidents. Speeding and DUIs are particularly risky here, so staying safe behind the wheel is important. Now, the reason we bring this up is because these statistics, along with things like theft and the number of uninsured drivers, all play a role in how much you pay for car insurance in Kentucky. But hey, that doesn't mean there aren't ways to save. We've got a handy quote search tool on FreeAdvice.com that lets you compare quotes from multiple insurers in Kentucky, all in one place. So head over to FreeAdvice.com and make your insurance shopping journey a breeze. Let's get you started on saving some serious cash. Again, Kentucky has more roads and more cars, which translates into a higher chance of accidents, and this can bump up your car insurance rates a bit. But it gets more interesting when it comes to Kentucky's required car insurance coverage. Kentucky keeps things driver-friendly by only requiring minimum coverage. Minimum car insurance in Kentucky covers the basics. Bodily injury liability pays for other people's injuries up to $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. Property damage liability kicks in for damages to someone else's stuff like their car, fence or mailbox, with a limit of $25,000. There's also an optional coverage called Personal Injury Protection, or PIP. This is a no-fault insurance that helps cover your medical expenses, lost wages, and other costs regardless of who caused the accident, up to a limit of $10,000. Remember, these are the minimums. Think about it this way. If you cause a big accident with expensive injuries and repairs, the minimums might not be enough. You could end up paying the difference out of pocket. When you're ready, head over to FreeAdvice.com and compare car insurance quotes from the best providers to find the rates that fit in your budget. Okay, so now you know the Kentucky coverage basics. Time to talk about price. Kentucky's minimum auto insurance is cheaper than minimum coverage in many other states. There's a big difference. USAA offers the cheapest rate at $26 per month, which translates to around $312 a year. That's fantastic, but remember, USAA is typically only available to military members and their families. Geico comes in at a close second with an average monthly rate of $29 or roughly $348 per year. On the other hand, some companies land on the pricier side. Allstate comes in at $86 a month, which is over $1,032 annually. This highlights the importance of shopping around because potential savings can be significant. In this case, choosing Geico over Allstate could save you a whopping $684 a year. That's real money you can put towards other things. To get the best rates on car insurance, you have to shop around. Visit FreeAdvice.com and enter your zip code into our free quote tool to get car insurance quotes from top companies in no time. So we mentioned minimum coverage is required, but let's face it, sometimes you need more protection. That's where full coverage comes in. Now, full coverage can vary in price depending on the company you choose. We're talking a big difference here. When it comes to full coverage car insurance in Kentucky, USAA offers the most affordable option at $72 a month, which translates to around $864 a year. That's fantastic, but remember, USAA is typically only available to military members and their families. For most civilians, Geico comes in at a close second with an average monthly rate of $80, followed by State Farm at $98 per month. On the other hand, some companies land on the pricier side. Allstate comes in at a hefty $236 a month, which is over $2,800 annually. This shows why shopping around is key. Choosing Geico over Allstate could save you a whopping $1,800 a year. That's real money you can put towards other things. Remember to visit FreeAdvice.com to find and compare quotes from the best and most affordable providers in your area. Doing so could help you save hundreds on your car insurance. Well, we've discussed Kentucky coverage options and pricing. Now, let's get personal. Figuring out how much coverage you need is key to getting the best deal without being underprotected. We all want to save money on Kentucky auto insurance, but it's important to strike a balance. First, think about the value of your vehicle. If you drive a cheaper vehicle, full coverage may not be worth it based on how much your car is actually worth. Next, consider the coverage costs. The more coverage you add to your policy, the higher the cost. Finally, think about your income. If you get into an accident, could you afford to cover the out-of-pocket costs for you and any other drivers and passengers involved? Even if your income makes it possible to cover thousands in bodily injury and property damage, insurance is still the best way to protect yourself financially. To find the right coverage at the best price, be sure to visit FreeAdvice.com and compare quotes from top insurance providers in your area. Use our free quote tool and you'll be matched with your top Kentucky insurers in seconds. Alright folks, that's it for Kentucky car insurance. We covered a lot, from coverage options to finding the best deal. Now, here's the important part, saving you money. Don't waste time calling around to different insurance companies. Head over to FreeAdvice.com right now. Our website is your one-stop shop for comparing rates and getting quotes from Kentucky's top insurers. Our free quote tool is fast, free, and can seriously help you slash your car insurance costs. Before you head over, make sure you hit that like button if you found the information in this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more insurance insights. We've got tons of valuable content to help you navigate the world of insurance. Also, leave a comment below. Sharing your experience with Kentucky insurers can be a huge help to others. Did a particular company surprise you with their rates? Did another offer amazing customer service? Let everyone know. Speaking of saving money, you should also check out some of our other videos, like the one that breaks down the top 12 factors that affect your rates. Knowing these can seriously slash your costs. Plus, sharing it with a friend could be a game changer for their wallet too. And hey, if you know someone who's shopping for a new car insurance policy in Kentucky, share this video with them. Maybe they're with one of the companies we mentioned, or maybe they're just starting their search. Either way, this information could be a game changer for them. So there you have it, Kentucky car insurance made easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.